Today we're going to talk about credit applications. People seem to have trouble with this for various reasons. Sometimes it's the system, sometimes just procedural. So just pay attention to how this is done and it should be okay. Once you have your information in, like your vehicle and all your customer information and your work notes and your customer trades and all that, you want to go ahead and create a credit application. This is done through the funny looking green icon that they say looks like a bank. It doesn't look like one to me, but that's what they say it is. Go ahead and click that on. It brings up the credit input screen. You want to choose the template of the store that you're working in. In this case, we'll use GR Chevrolet. We'll go to the applicant screen. Notice that a lot of the information pulls over into the system as you have entered it into the previous screens. What's not there, you need to manually add. If they lived at the address for less than 3 years, we need to go ahead and put a previous address. If their present employer is less than 3 years, then they'll need a previous employer. Down in these bottom boxes, you need to make sure you have their total monthly income in both fields. Make sure you put their Social Security number on the application. No, it will not print on the application, but it will carry over or should carry over to dealer track. Write the Social Security number down on a piece of paper on your desk, and any of this other information that does not print, you can manually write on the application. Once you get done with that, you click Save, and you're done with that. The next thing you want to look at on these tabs, you're going to skip by the co-buyer from here. We'll talk about how to add a co-buyer in the next video. Asset and debt, whether they own their home, rent, or whatever, maybe a landlord or mortgage holder's name, and how much they pay for that. Don't need any of these other ones, previous vehicles financed, bank references, any of that stuff. Just these two things, monthly payment and buy, rent, family, other, etc. Click Save again, and once you're done with that, then you're good. At that point, you can preview the application and make sure that all that information is on here. Hopefully it is. If it's not, you need to talk to me about that because there's settings on your computer that need to be adjusted. Once done, simply print the application, and it's right here. Just print it from your desktop, and after you print it, you verify that all the information is on the application, and what is not on there, just manually write in so your F&I person can manually add it if they need to. Not all information carries over to dealer track, unfortunately. Okay, so that's it. That's how you add a credit app. Pretty simple. If we want to add a co-maker to this deal, we don't go here like you think we would to the bank icon and then go to co-maker. It's really not the right way to do it. The easiest way is from your contact dashboard screen is to click this little icon here, this green plus sign, and from here you'll add your co-maker information: first name, last name, home address, email if you can get it, social security number, things like that. When you go to save this, you may get an error that you're attempting to create a duplicate. No problem, just click yes, move on, save it, and then you can reprint the application and send it to your sales manager. But that's basically it in a nutshell. If the stuff is not printed on the application, I need to know so I can come and adjust your settings.